Hi, I'm Vanshika and I share content related to food tech. In today's presentation, we'll learn about how to make marmalade. Marmalade is a type of fruit preserve made from citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, and it includes the peel as well. Now let's look at the flowchart for marmalade preparation. We start with fruit selection, then washing the fruits, followed by cutting and peeling. After that, we extract the juice, add sugar, and then add acid and pectin. Next, we cook the mixture, test for the endpoint, and finally, we fill, seal, and store the marmalade. First one is fruit selection and washing. Choose ripe citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, or grapefruits and wash them thoroughly. It's important to note that the citrus fruits are naturally rich in pectin and acid, and washing helps to remove any dirt or microbes. On our next slide, we have cutting and peel preparation. Cut the fruits and slice the peel into thin strips. Boil the peel to soften it. It's important to note that the peel gives marmalade its characteristic flavor and texture. Next, we move on to the juice extraction. Extract the juice from the citrus fruits. This is important as it provides the liquid base for our marmalade. Now let's talk about the addition of sugar. Add sugar in the correct proportion, which should be equal to the weight of the juice. The importance of this step is that it preserves, sweetens, and help in gel formation along with the pectin. Next, we have the addition of acid. Add citric acid or lemon juice if needed. This step is important as it adjusts the pH, enhances the flavor, prevents crystallization, and helps the pectin set properly. On the next slide, we have the addition of pectin. Add natural or commercial pectin if the fruit juice is low in pectin. This is important as it ensures proper gel formation and prevents runny marmalade. Now we move on to the cooking. In this step, cook the juice, sugar, acid, peel, and pectin mixture until it becomes thick and glossy. This is important because it evaporates water, activates the pectin, and ensures preservation. And on our next slide, we have testing the endpoints. The first step is to check the consistency. You can use the sheet test where marmalade dropped from a spoon should form a sheet. Another method is the temperature test, with the endpoint usually around 104 to 105 degrees Celsius. Or you can use a refractometer and check that the marmalade is ready at about 65 to 68 degree Brix. This ensures proper gel formation and prevents the marmalade from becoming runny or too hard. And finally, we have the step of filling and sealing. Fill the hot marmalade into sterilized jars and seal them immediately. This is important as it prevents contamination and ensures a longer shelf life. And lastly, we come to storage. Store sealed jars in a cool, dry place. This is important because it maintains the flavor and prevents spoilage. And finally, let's talk about some common problems with marmalade and their remedies. If your marmalade failed to set, it may be due to low pectin or acid, so add some pectin or lemon juice. For crystallization caused by excess sugar, adjust the sugar level and cook properly. If you notice a bitter taste, it can be due to excess peel or improper boiling, so blanch the peel properly. For cloudy marmalade, due to poor straining, use a muslin cloth and avoid squeezing the pulp. And to prevent fermentation or mold, ensure proper sealing with sterilized jars and an airtight seal. In conclusion, marmalade preparation is truly a scientific process. Blanching the citrus, combining the juice, peel, sugar, acid, and pectin step by step ensures clarity, flavor, and preservation. The end result is a properly prepared marmalade that's bright, tangy, tasty, and long lasting. And that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this food tech content, please like, share, and subscribe for more.